Yo, turn up with AC. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy that guy AC back at y'all with another reaction video. And today I'm coming at y'all with Damn Nature. You scary, funny, scary animal encounters by Fail Army. Alright, man, we on the road to 100 subscribers, y'all. Hit that sub button, man. Like, comment, and then hit the noti bell so you know when your boy is chopping 4 fingers. I mean, man, we finna dive into the video. Before we dive into this, man, YouTube, you trying to get me, man. You tried it, man. You know, you tried it, man. But the whole time it was me and YouTube. I don't even blame y'all. They took down one of my videos, but they put it back up. So we smooth. We smooth. We smooth. But I feel like one of you who watched that video and reported it, bro? Was it you, nigga? Was it you, nigga? I know it was you, nigga. You watching this, man. Yeah. You doing that shit, nigga. You reporting my shit, nigga. I ain't mad at you. Ain't nothing but love for you. Do you think, bro? but for real, I'm finna dive into it. Ooh. Ooh. Move. There's people in the car. Hey, don't mind my pimple too, bro. Don't say nothing in the comments about my pimple, bro. I know, bro. Oh, he's moving it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, your car's done. Your car's done. Your car's done. What the heck? Those eels?
Eel.
I knew it. Took his joint. Burr. Burr. That was a big burr. If you would have got touched, it would have been rips. What are you doing? Move. Oh! Oh! Run! Oh! It's a hammerhead. Run! What are you doing, man? Why are you still in the water, man? Get out! Bro, get out, man. He wanted to get nibbled. Nibble. He wanted to get nibbled on. Donkey, not a horse. Bro, what is that crying after him? Bro, what is that phone?
1 and 2 3. Jesus Christ Almighty!
Next. Dang. Jesus Christ Almighty. Watch it. Where are they trying to? Oh.
That's a big gator, buddy.
Oh. Oh. Oh, he's right there. Bro, I seen him in the corner, bro. I seen him. What are you? Bro, why are you trying to touch wild animals, especially bamboos, bro? What is it? What is it? What are they looking at? What are you looking at? There ain't no sound, no. Oh, snake! What type of snake? That dude's moving. Close the door. What type of snake it was? Oh, he's on that. He's trying to get in. He was moving though. That's he hooked you, buddy. You thought you hooked him. He hooked you, buddy. Look at that gator. Look at that gator. Or this man, there ain't no way he's gonna run after him. But did you just fall? Bro, this ain't the movies, boy. What you doing falling?
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
You think he's scared of you, buddy? No. Oh, elephant. And it's a baby elephant too. Land. But if there was no like, oh, look at the gator. No, you. Oh, there's people in the pool. Get out, get out, get out. She's swimming backwards. Get out, get out, get out. He got her. He got her, bro. Look at bro. She trying to get out. Look at what she doing. She's trying to go backwards. No. She's trying to get out. No. He got the nibble. And bro, he made his place of refuge in their pool. Oh snap! But that mama moose was not going. You got two big people on that horse. Move. You got two big people on one horse. What are you doing? A big stick or something.
Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is.
Watch it be like.
That is not a stick. Oh my god. That's not a stick at all.
That is a crocodile, bro.
Holy sh**.
That's not even a gator. That's a crocodile.
Oh my lord. Holy moly.
Like that's scary. But how do you like? You gotta. Yeah, you gotta snap the line, buddy. You're not catching him. Burr. Black burr. Black burr. Black burr. Gotcha. What was that? Is that a squid? Instantly got on his ass. Got on his ass. Man, look at that little octopus. Got him like that. Yeah, you're done. Look at the circle of life. All of a sudden, just some huge shit just destroys that. Just eats both of them. That'd be crazy. But what is that? What is that? Is that a mountain lion?
I promise I'm not gonna bug you.
Mountain lion.
I'm going away.
In this situation, what are you guys doing in the comments? You know what I'm doing? Pulling out that arm. He's getting pulled out that arm. He's getting break it, break it, break it, break it. You're done. You're not getting that close to me. You're running after me at this point. And he's hissing and some more.
I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
And you're saying I'm not gonna bug you. Is gonna change anything. What's up, twin? I have a gun. What does that have to do with anything? Mama bear and a cub.
Trail back to the camp. I'm walking on the trail, and Mom and two cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards.
Ooh.
And Mom and the cubs keep following me, and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Yeah, I would have turned around, hit the dash. Yeah. Did that bird just get swallowed? That bird just got swallowed. Oh no, he's right there. What is that? I'm not going back. I'm not going back. So nasty. That was so nasty. That made me my skin crawl, bro. Bro, mountain lions, bro. If I'm 1v1 a mountain lion, I'm killing that joint. If I just had a knife. Yeah, no, you're not. You're doing that? No, I'm on you. As soon as you no,
No!
I'm on him.
You, dude.
Shake, hunter, a hunting knife. You're killing that joint. You just can't let him get to your
Get the
neck.
fuck away from me.
If he gets to your neck, you're done.